Hi, I am Hernando Sano, and this is my first video for the test. Question 1. What are some events in the past that made you who you are now? I served the mission in Argentina, and I think it's the best thing I made in the past. Question 2. What are some challenges you think the next generation will face? I think the next generation will face new wars and more opposition for leaving the gospel. If you were offered a job in another part of the country which was well paid, would you be willing to change places? I think it's good for me and my family change places. Question 4. What does the government do to encourage people to protect the environment in your country? The government have projects for to protect the environment in the country. Um, Question 5. How do you prepare your favorite food? Explain the process. Mm, my favorite food is rice with milk. And first of all, and we need we need to cook the rice and then mix mix rice with milk, and for the end uh, we need we need to add sugar and 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 eat rice with milk. Thank you for